Okay, so this is an explanation about the information about brokerage services form. And so you'll understand why I'm asking for you to initial it. So in the state of Texas, the law actually requires that we give this information to you, and it's really to disclose what the role is of the real estate brokerages. So a broker is responsible for all brokerage activities, including all acts that are performed by the sales agents that are sponsored by the broker. So I am a sales agent. I'm sponsored by a broker. That's Realty One Group Prosper, and I'm going to work on your work for you on behalf of my broker. So just to understand, our minimum duties required by law is that if I do represent you, I'm going to go ahead and put your interests above all others, including my own broker. I'm going to inform you of any material information about the property or about the transaction that I have received. I'm going to answer all questions that you have and present any offers, counter offers from you to the other party. And then last, my other job is to make sure I'm treating all parties to this real estate transaction honestly and fairly. So if I'm representing you, let's say as the buyer, again, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I'm representing you to the best of my abilities, making sure you have all the information I've received. And so we will be working together. If I'm working with you as the seller, same thing. Any information I receive, let's say from a buyer's agent, I'm going to go ahead and give that information to you. So again, it's really just about disclosing information, not keeping anything secret, making sure everyone is aware of all information, so everyone's making good decisions. There is an opportunity, let's say if we're selling your property, that we may receive an offer from another agent from the same brokerage that I work with. That's called an intermediary. So that would be where two agents, myself and the other agent, work under the same brokerage. And once again, we're going to go ahead and make sure everyone is treating everyone fairly. The transaction is impartial. And so that's just something that we will kind of dive into a little bit more, but just to make sure you understand, the broker's not going to take one side or another. They're there to make sure all parties are informed and treated fairly. The last item here is if you are working with me as a sub-agent, that means we have not decided that we're going to work fully together just yet. And it is important that you understand that in the state of Texas, if we have not agreed to work together by signing a representation agreement, I technically work for the seller. Even if I've never met that seller, I must put their interests first. So this is why it's very important that if you're happy with working with me or you'd like to work with me, we go ahead and sign that representation agreement, so that way I can give you all the full information that you rightfully should have. So this again is just little information about who we are, our license numbers, etc. So I'm just having you initial down here. And again, this is just saying that you understand this information and you've received it, but it does not create an obligation for you to work with me and my broker. Thanks so much.